Hello friends, good morning to all. Friends, today I am going to dictate you legal passage especially for the Punjab and Haryana High Court. So, let's start our dictation. Get ready. 3 2 1 start. Chief Election Commission of India and others. Counsel for the petitioner Sri Prakash Chandra Srivastava. Counsel for the respondents Bhupendra Nath Singh. Constitution of India, Article 329B, rejection of nomination, Lok Sabha election, rejected on ground in electoral roll name of petitioner, found no place review, rejected in absence of statutory provision, petition against rejection held not maintainable once election notified except election tribunal court seized with every jurisdiction petition dismissed para 9. On the other hand, where a nomination paper has been rejected, we are of the view that the interference of the court under Article 226 of the Constitution would not be warranted, since the bar under Article 329B would clearly imply the only manner in which the election can be challenged is by means of presenting an election petition after the declaration of the results, where, as we have already noted, one of the grounds can be that a nomination paper has been improperly rejected. Case law says 2014 1 SCC 156 2007 2 UPLB EC 1329 AIR 2004 SC 2523 delivered by Honorable Dr. Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud CJ. Para. The petitioner has sought a direction in the nature of mandamus, commanding the respondents to consider his nomination paper for the forthcoming elections to the 16th Lok Sabha in relation to the 8th Sambhal Lok Sabha election constituency as valid. On 25th March 2014, the returning officer notified that the scrutiny of the nominations would take place on 27th March 2014 between 11 am and 3 pm. The nomination paper of the petitioner was rejected on 27th March 2014 on the ground that the name of the petitioner was not found at serial number 800 in the electoral rolls of the constituency. The, the returning officer has observed that the petitioner was absent, though he was informed that the scrutiny will commence at 11 am on 27th March 2014. The petitioner filed an application for making a correction in the nomination paper. This application has been rejected by the returning officer for the reason that once the nomination paper had been rejected, a review of the order was not permissible in law. Para. Accordingly to the petitioner, the scrutiny was to take place between 11 am and 3 pm on 27th March 2014 and 2:40 pm on 27th March 2014. He submitted the application to the returning officer for correcting an error in the nomination paper. The petitioner stated that in his nomination paper he had incorrectly stated that his name appears at serial number 800 of the electoral rolls, whereas in fact his name appears at serial number 802. Para. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner submits that the returning officer, having stated that the scrutiny would take place between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m., he would not be justified in rejecting the nomination paper despite the receipt of the applicant at 2:40 p.m. Stop. सो फ्रेंड्स ये नियर अबाउट 500 की एग्जैक्ट डिक्टेशन थी और 5 मिनट में ये कंप्लीट हुई है। तो एग्जैक्ट आपकी ये 100 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन थी। आई होप आप लोगों को लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई होगी। सो मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना। ओके, बाय बाय।